If you have been watching videos about content strategy, how to grow and make money as a content creator, you have been taking down notes, saving tips, saving video ideas, but you have not been posting, this video is your wake-up call. Because the truth is, you don't need more information, you need more execution. And as a creator, I learned this the hard way. Hi, I'm Stephanie and you're welcome to the channel where I help you build online income through UGC, digital product and investing. On this channel, we don't just consume information, we execute, because in the real world, execution beats perfection every single time. Today, I want to break down something most creators misunderstand. Many creators believe that the reason why they are not growing and making money is because they lack information, they don't have better strategy, they have not consumed enough video tutorials, or they have not bought enough courses. But that's not it. The reason why you're not growing as a creator is not because you lack more information, is because you are not executing what you already know. By the end of this video, you will understand what content strategy is all about, why every creator needs one, and how you can start executing starting from today. So don't just watch this video halfway, stay to the end, because I'm going to show you how you can turn everything you already know into content that will help you grow and make money for you. Okay, let's get into it. What is content strategy? Because when people hear content strategy, they imagine some big complicated marketing documents with charts, metrics and quarterly projection, which is not so. A content strategy is the way you plan, create and execute content that attracts, engages and converts your ideal customers. In simple terms, a content strategy means 4 things. That is what you post, who you post it for, why you post it, and how it helps you achieve your goals. So basically, content strategy equal who plus what plus why and how. So if you don't have a content strategy, it means you are just posting randomly and hoping for results, and hoping is not a strategy. And a content strategy answers these 4 questions. Who am I creating content for? What am I posting? Why I am posting it, and how it helps me achieve my goals. Your goals could be growth, building a community, influence, attracting brand deals, also making money with your content. Let's take, for example, a beauty creator whose goal is to grow followers, build trust, land paid brand deals. So this is what her strategy will look like in the simplest way ever. First, let's talk about her who. Who is she creating content for? Let's say she's creating content for women aged 18 to 30 years old who love beauty content. And what type of content will she be creating? She'll be creating content like skincare, product review, daily routines, and also get ready with me videos. And why is she creating this type of content? Because she wants to build trust. She also wants to build a community. She wants to grow her followers and also get brand deals. And how will this help her achieve her goals? First, it will help to grow her followers. If she's consistent, she will start attracting brands, because brands love creators who show up consistently, having a clear niche. But here's the truth most people miss. Even with the best strategy, if you don't execute it, it becomes nothing. Let me repeat that. A content strategy you don't execute is just an idea in your notes app. Now, let me talk about why every creator should have a content strategy. Number 1, it gives direction. When you have the right content strategy, you stop guessing on what to post. Number 2, it helps you grow faster. Once you have a clear niche, the algorithm understands your content. It will pushes your content to people who are watching similar videos like yours. 3, it builds your personal brand, because people start recognizing what you stand for. 4, it attracts brand deals, because brands love clarity and consistency. 5, it makes content creation easier, because you stop asking, what am I posting today, since you already have your strategy and you know what to post, what time and how to post it. And 6, helps you make money, because when you have clarity, you are intentional, you are consistent, you start attracting brand deals and you make money. So if as a creator you are not growing and you are not making money, Ask yourself, am I posting enough to even taste what I've learned, or I'm just consuming content? Posting without a content strategy is like driving without Google Maps. You might move, but you don't actually know where you are going. That's why so many creators feel stuck, confused, inconsistent, and burnout. So this is how you can create a content strategy. Step 1, define your goal. What do you want from content creation? Step 2, choose your content pillars. You can pick 3 to 5 topics you will always talk about. Step 3, know your audience. You need to understand the people you're talking to so that you know the kind of content to create for them. Step 4, choose your content format. It could be tutorials, storytelling, vlogs, talking head videos, educational. What type of content style you want, you need to be clear about that. Step 5, create a posting system. It could be posting 1 videos daily. You could be posting 2, 3, or 5 videos daily, or 3 videos weekly. Choose a posting system and stick to it consistently. Now listen carefully, because this is the part that changes everything, and most creators fail because of this particular thing, which is called execution. So here's how you can execute your content strategy. 1, turn your ideas into simple posts. When you have an idea, make sure you create a video and you post it. Step 2, stop waiting to be perfect. Post the version you can do today. Step 3, batch create content. Batch creating is very important because if you film multiple videos in one setting, it will help you to stay consistent posting throughout the week. Step 4, use this workflow: idea, film, post, learn, and repeat. Lastly, post even when you don't feel ready, because confidence comes after posting, not before you post. And here's something interesting: the creators you admire today, they're not successful because they know more than you. They are successful because they execute more than you. So if you take anything from this video, it should be: stop over learning, stop over planning, and start executing. Because your content strategy will never work in your head. It will only work when you start posting. Now I want to ask you something: are you someone who is still learning, or someone who have started executing? Comment it below in the comment section. I would love to know. And if this hits you, this might be your sign to finally start posting consistently, because your audience is not waiting for perfect content. They are waiting for you to show up consistently. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one. By the way, this is video 4 of my 80 days video challenge before the end of this year. See you in video 5. Bye.